Hello and welcome, friends. We are here to understand rather than learn statistics and genetics. Today, we will talk on our lecture number 3 on measures of central tendency, part 2nd. Friends, we have learned from previous video lectures about measures of central tendency and mathematical average in detail. If you are yet to go through and understand the basics, please watch earlier videos first. We are going to talk about positional average today. These are called positional averages as they depict a particular position and are not affected by outlier entries. We will first talk about mean. It is most commonly used measure of central tendency. Its calculation is simple as sum of observations divided by number of observations. On the other hand, median is middlemost entry of data set that divides it into two equal halves. Similarly, mode is that entry which occurs the most number of times in a data set. If we take a data set with entries 10, 90, 2, 4, 5, 9, 10, 32, 10, 100 and 1000, its mean will be simply sum of observations, that is 10 plus 90 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 9 plus 10 plus 32 plus 10 plus 100 plus 1000 divided by the number of entries. Since the number of entries here is 11, that's simply by counting. So we have to divide the sum of observations by 11. The value comes out to be 116.09, which is not present in the data set with outliers. If we calculate median of same data set, we have to arrange it in an increasing or decreasing order first. So the increasing order of the data set will be 2, 4, 5, 9, 10, 10, 10, 32, 90, 100 and ultimately 1000. Since the number of observations is 11, which is an odd number, so if we leave 5 entries from left and 5 from right, the middlemost entry is 10, which will be the median for this data set. But then, how to estimate median for data sets with even number of observations? We will discuss the same in coming few minutes. Now, if we need to derive the mode for this data set, we check which entry occurs most number of times. Here, 2 occurs singly, 4, 5, 9 they occur singly, then 10 occurs 3 times, 32 occurs singly, 90, 100 and 1000 also occur single times. So the mode will be that entry which occurs most number of times, and that is 10 occurring thrice in the data set. Median. It is particularly useful in data sets with outliers where mean becomes meaningless as representative. Median divides data set into two halves. Equal number of entries occur on right and left side of median. However, we need to arrange data set in an increasing or decreasing order first. When number of entries, that is n, is odd, median will be n plus 1 divided by second term. If entries are 9, n plus 1 becomes 10, n plus 1 divided by 2 becomes 10 by 2, and it comes out to be fifth term. However, when number of entries is even, median is an average of n by second and the next term. For example, if number of entries is 10, 10 by 2 is 5. The median will be mean of fifth and next, that is sixth term, when data set is arranged in an increasing or decreasing order. Similarly, if number of entries is 20, that is n is equal to 20, median will be mean of 20 by 2, that is 10th, and next that means 11th. So 10th and 11th term and their mean will be the median of that data set when it is arranged in an increasing or decreasing order. In given data set here, number of entries is 5. Entries are 2, 5, 6, 11 and 59. So median will be n plus 1 divided by 2 a term. That means 5 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 6 by 2, that is third term when it is arranged in ascending or descending order. In next data set, the number of entries is 4, that is even. 4 by 2 is 2, that means second and third term we have to take mean. Here the entries are 5, 6, 11 and 59. So median will be mean of second and third term when arranged in ascending or descending order. So median is 6 plus 11 divided by 2, which comes out to be 8.5. Mode. Mode is derived from a French word meaning fashion. Most frequently occurring observation in a data set is its mode. It's useful in study of popular things. For example, a shoe manufacturer is interested that which shoe size is in high demand in the market. So we will use mode here. Similarly, in case of birth weight of human babies, a doctor may be interested in most occurring birth weight of babies. In terms of COVID pandemic, a researcher may be interested in the age at which most cases occur. So mode will be useful. A data set may have no mode, a single mode, or more than one modes. A data set can be unimodal, that is having one mode. In the given data set, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 occurs 3 times. So the mode of this data set will be 5. Similarly, a data set can be bimodal. For this data set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 and 5 entries occur 2 times each. So it is bimodal with modes of 4 and 5. However, a data set can be without any mode also when every term occurs equal number of times singly as in the given data set. If you have questions, feedback or suggestions, you can write to us. Please subscribe our channel, share and like our videos, and stay tuned. Thank you very much.